It's Mrs. Holbrook here for Foundations, and I thought today I could use this weight as my microphone and be a news reporter while we do Foundations together. Okay, kids, let's get our warm-up going on. P, P, S, 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 bugs, Z, V, V, W, W, WH, W, CH, Ch, CK, ALL, ball all, AM, ham am, AN, fan an, ANG, ring ANG, bang ang, ING, ring ing, UNG, long ung, ONK, honk onk. And this time, let's do our short vowel singing in the highest voice you can. A, apple, a, E, L, I, H, I, O, octopus, U, up. Awesome. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I am most excited for the long vowel sound we learned yesterday. A, apple, a, and A, safe, a. That's right, the long A in safe. And you know what? We're about to learn another long vowel sound. But before we do, let's see if you can out-trick the trick words and get them all right. When it flashes on the screen, say it loud, say it proud. Y. Try. Two. Which two is this? Like me too. I want to go to the store too. Okay, see if you can beat me and get it correct. Two. Which two is this? Like she went to the store. Very. Also. Come, some. Now I have a challenge question for you folks. Did anyone find the two words in there that were synonyms? They meant the same thing. Also, and this too. Like I want to go also, and I want to go too. They mean the same thing. Great. All right, this weight's getting too heavy for a microphone. Now it's time for us to look at our newest long vowel sound. We have our monkey there that does the itch sound for short I, and now we have what looks like a Christmas tree, but it's a pine tree. And the I says its name. It says I in pine. So when we do this in our warm-up, we'll say I itch it, I pine I. That's right. Let's see how long we can hold that long I sound. I. Okay, let's stop there. We don't want to annoy the people in our houses. All right, my friends, let's try to build some words with this long I and mark them. Here we go. Get your materials ready, please. Paper, pens, crayons. Write it on your desk with shaving cream in your room, whatever you need to do. Bath paint in the bath, that would be cool. Your first word is mile. I want to run a mile. Let's tap it. I-le. And now let's write. You write yours, and then please check it to mine. Okay, let's mark it. Mark the syllable, please. So scoop the syllable, and look, the vowel, the consonant, the E. It's vowel, consonant, E. Cross off that E because we don't hear it, it's silent, and put the straight line, the macron, over the I because it says I, mile. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple more words all at once, and then when you pause the screen, when you come back, I'll have all the answers and we'll compare all of them, okay? Your next word is pile, P-I-L. After that is Smile. S-M-I-L. Nice. Ice. Ride. I'd. And your last word is Mike. Okay, time for us to mark all of our words and check them. Before you do anything, I want you to check and make sure all your letters are going the right way. If you know that you have certain letters that you confuse, now is the time to check it. Great, and now let's scoop our syllables one at a time and mark them. Yep, vowel, consonant, E, cross off that E, macron over the I, smile. Also, please mark the consonant blend, the S, M, sm. Great, let's check out nice. What kind of syllable is it, everyone? That's right, it's vowel, a consonant, and an E. And it's a macron because the I says I. Did anyone see a smaller word inside of nice? Me too, ice. Okay, time for ride. Scoop it. What kind of syllable? Vowel, consonant, E. Great. Cross off that E. Put a macron over the I, so it says I, ride. And last one is a name, so make sure it's an uppercase M. Scoop the syllable. Vowel, consonant, E. Can't hear the E. And a macron over the I for a long I. Great job. Okay, now we have some long I words to read. All of these words have the long I in them. Let's tap and read. Ike, like, I'd, hide, chime, chime. Good, let's really try to tap each sound without any space in between. Bike, bike. Get that out of the way. Ride, ride. File, file. Okay, good. Keep up that tight blending that we're doing. Remember, we don't want to tap like this. I, k. We want to go. Mike, Mike. Wide, wide. Can you open your mouth wide? Aisle, mile. Good. Keep going, everybody. Ooh, a consonant blend. Spike, spike. Bride, bride. Pile, pile. Right, let's try to transition to the blending in your head. Bite, slide, smile, kite, dime, while, sight, lime, ice. Okay, and now a real challenge. See if you can quickly look at these and say them. White, time, mice. Great job if you could do that. Ride, slime, nice. Awesome. Way to go, you guys. So feel free to pause right here and keep practicing this word list. These are new and there's some blends in there. I did see some digraphs too, so these can definitely be tricky. I want to end with a reading of a story. I wrote this story myself, trying to use as many words that have the long A from yesterday, A, and the long I from today. So I'll read it once to you. If you want to try it on your own before, you can pause it first. And then I want you to practice reading it slowly, getting faster and faster and smoother, and making pictures in your head. My bike. Try to picture that. What do you say? My bike is big and red. I like to ride it to the lake. My mom asked me if it is safe to ride it to the lake. I said yes, it is safe. It was a long ride, and I was late. When I got to the lake, I saw a big pile of leaves. I wanted to hide in them. Do you like to jump in leaves? I do. Good, so pause here, and I want you to try to read it. If you need to go back and listen to me read it, and pause after each sentence to repeat it after me, that is fine. Do whatever feels right for you. But I have some questions for you. What color is my bike? How do you know? Prove it. That's right, it says it in the text. It's red. And what do I like to do on my bike? Prove it. Aha, there it is, the lake. I like to ride it to the lake. Do you hear a long vowel in that? Me too, the long A. And did I get to the lake on time? How do you know I was late? Where does it say it? Scan and skim back through and find it. There it is, I was late. And what did I do when I got to the lake? That's right, I jumped in it, in the leaves to hide. So what do you think? Do you guys like to jump in leaves? Yeah, I think it's fun too. Okay, your last assignment for today is to pick out 2 vowel, consonant, E syllable words from this passage. Write them, mark them, and send them to your teacher. All right, keep up the reading, guys. Have fun.